All right, let's dive right into this explainer and uncover some seriously incredible insider knowledge about a platform so many of us practically live in every single day. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're zeroing in on something that affects millions of professionals globally. We've dug deep into the source material on Salesforce efficiency, looking at some real-world case studies, and we're breaking it down step by step. Trust me, we're going to completely transform the way you handle your daily workflow.
So I've got a bit of a direct challenge for you right out of the gate. You might use the platform, right? You probably log in every single morning with your coffee, but are you truly maximizing what it can do? I mean, think you really know Salesforce. Because for a lot of people out there, the platform is basically just a digital filing cabinet to log data. But there is a massive, game-changing difference between simply operating a system and actually commanding it to do the heavy lifting for you. And that's exactly the gap we're bridging today.
To get us there, we are going to reveal exactly 3 hidden features. Yep, just 3. We're absolutely not going to overwhelm you with some massive, dry textbook of system updates. We're keeping this incredibly focused. These 3 specific, heavily overlooked features, they're the exact things that separate the absolute power users from the everyday novices. We're going to look at actual efficiency case studies for each one so you can see the proof. Master these 3, and I guarantee your workflow changes completely. Now, the crucial thing to understand here is that these aren't just, cute little software tricks. They are direct, hard-hitting solutions to manual time wasting. We're talking about literally reclaiming hours every single week. Just pause and think about what you could actually do with an extra 3, 4, or even 5 hours clawed back from mindless admin work. That is the true premise of what we're unpacking from the source material today. All right, let's get into it. Number 1. Einstein Search AI for finding records instantly. This perfectly illustrates how AI can just totally eliminate that endless clicking and manual hunting you usually have to do just to find one simple record. Einstein Search uses AI-powered suggestions to help you find what you need instantly. So instead of opening multiple tabs, applying clunky filters, and crossing your fingers that you spelled a client's name exactly right, the AI actually anticipates your needs. It learns your behaviors and suggests the right records before you've even finished typing. In one of the efficiency case studies we reviewed, sales reps eliminated dozens of daily clicks. They ended up saving an average of 2 hours a week just by letting the AI anticipate what they needed. It's all about completely removing the friction between you and your data. Moving right along to number 2, email to case automation, keeping customer support streamlined. This tool is brilliant because it automatically converts customer emails into support cases. Think about your current process. Instead of manually reading a client's email, highlighting the text, hitting copy, clicking over to open a new case, pasting all those details in, and then manually routing it, this hidden gem does all that heavy lifting for you the exact second an email hits the inbox. It takes a totally unstructured email and instantly transforms it into a structured, actionable support case. In a really fascinating recent case study of a mid-sized support desk, simply eliminating that manual copy-paste routine reduced their ticket routing time by 40%. 40%. Absolutely no manual data entry required. And that brings us to number 3, no-code flow builder for automating those deeply repetitive tasks. This gives you just a massive amount of automated power, letting you automate those mind-numbing tasks without writing a single line of code. Say you have a specific sequence of actions you perform every single time a deal closes, or whenever a new lead is qualified. Well, Flow Builder lets you map that out visually, so the system just handles it automatically. You are effectively delegating your digital chores directly to the platform. For example, in one operational efficiency case study, a team used Flow Builder to automatically fire off welcome emails and assign follow-up tasks the very second a deal closed. That completely removed human error and reclaimed hours of admin time that used to be burned on routine follow-ups. Honestly, it's a night and day difference from the old way of doing things. The old school way meant you had to know complex coding syntax, or even worse, submit a ticket to the IT department and wait weeks for a developer to build the simplest automation. But the Flow Builder way, it means anyone can visually snap a workflow together, kind of like building blocks. You definitely don't need to be a software engineer to make the system work brilliantly for you. It empowers everyday users to build incredibly sophisticated automations completely code-free. Which leads us perfectly into number 4, reclaiming your time, the ultimate payoff. Let's bring all this tech talk back down to earth and look at the practical reality of your work week. By synthesizing these 3 essential power tools into your daily routine, you're setting yourself up for unprecedented efficiency. Think about it. Number 1, you stop searching and start finding instantly with Einstein Search AI. Number 2, you stop copying and pasting forever with email the case conversions.
And number 3, you stop repeating the mundane steps by using Flow Builder task automation. When you stack these 3 specific tools together, the compound effect on your daily schedule is nothing short of massive.
Since the core goal of all the efficiency case studies we explored in this explainer is getting your precious time back, the only question left to ask yourself right now is, which of these are you going to try first? Are you going to turn on Einstein Search today, set up email to case, or maybe build your very first flow? Look, don't try to boil the ocean and do them all at once. Just pick one today, implement it, and watch your efficiency absolutely soar. If you actually reclaimed 5 hours this week, what would you do with it? Let that sink in. Thanks so much for joining me today. Remember to follow for more Salesforce tips, and I'll catch you on the next one.